In this short Leapwork demo, we'll automate a test that logs into Salesforce. To create a test, we begin in this canvas area. Here you can build tests in the same way you would draw a process out on a whiteboard. You can either create steps one by one or use a recorder to show Leapwork what to automate. For this Salesforce example, we'll use Leapwork's Smart Recorder. Select a browser and tell it to navigate to salesforce.com. When the browser opens, you can move the mouse around and see that Leapwork recognizes all the elements on your screen. Simply click and type as you normally would when logging in, and Leapwork will record the steps. And here you have it. We've created that whole process as a flowchart. Let's save part of this flow so that the same steps can be reused anywhere within hundreds or thousands of tests. So these blocks are turned into their own flowchart, and then you give the new flowchart a name. Now, we typed in a single username and password before, but in reality, we want to achieve data-driven testing. The good news is that Leapwork can input account data from an API, a database, or in this case, an Excel spreadsheet. It's simply a matter of connecting the appropriate fields from the Excel file to the Leapwork blocks. It's incredibly easy. Okay, let's run this flow to see our work in action. Once it's done, everything gets recorded on video, and we can see the result, which is a pass. You can also see how visual the debugging process can be with a video of the test execution side by side to the event log. This lets you go back in time and see what happened at any given point. Each building block is highlighted so you know exactly where you're at within a potentially very long flow. Because this is a web example, we could now use a cloud service like Sauce Labs or BrowserStack to run this test on any kind of operating system. You can also run tests in parallel for other technologies, like, say, SAP, green screen terminals, Citrix, desktop applications, and you do that using Leapwork agents running either on-prem or in the cloud. That's it for our demo. Thanks for tuning in.